In this video, I'll show you how to make this. Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe.
Add background, then add hand PNG. Adjust the hand PNG. Go to Effect and select Bend. Adjust like this. Add keyframe. Add second keyframe. Angle 0. Add curl effect. Select radius, then add keyframe and increase the radius. And second keyframe, then more increase the radius. Select stretch and add keyframe, then decrease. Add second keyframe, then increase. Go to Move and Transform. Add keyframe. And add second keyframe. Then adjust like this. Add graph. Add text. Select color. Select font. Increase size and adjust. Go to Blending and Opacity. Add keyframe. Add second keyframe, then decrease opacity. Add circle shape. Adjust the size. Add stock. Select color. Increase the stock. Adjust the size. Select circle and go to Effect. Select Progress Effect. Select End. Add keyframe. And second keyframe, decrease the end, like this. Adjust the layer. Duplicate the layer 1. Edit the text. Adjust. Duplicate circle layer. Adjust. Add glow effect. Adjust, like this. Duplicate the second layer and edit the text. Duplicate the circle layer and adjust. Add glow effect in circle 1. Make group like this. Adjust the group layers. Adjust the all layer timeline.